No, we have to keep an eye on the weather, right?
We do. We're still not out of the woods tonight.
Okay.
We have more threat of severe weather tomorrow night. Do you want to stop and thank Sean Ash, who was here this evening, really dedicated his Saturday night. We had a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings as well as tornado warnings issued. Thankfully, we haven't heard a lot of reports of damage or power outages. So that's some good news. Hopefully that will remain the case tomorrow morning at first light. But here's a look at live Doppler 13 radar. We had a tornado watch that has been allowed to expire, and we also have a current warning, and this is for Madison County. This one because we're really seeing the radar detecting the possibility of some very large hail. We could see over an inch in size of hail that just moved to the northeast of Elwood. All of this moving towards Fairmont and into Gas City. This area has already been hit with some very heavy rain earlier this evening. Right now it's 76 degrees in Indianapolis, 80 in Shelbyville, currently 74 in Greencastle. Here's a look at future track as we go through the early morning hours. We're still going to see this system wrapping up to the north. We have had this complex that you can really see it spinning here in the future track environment as this continues to slowly pull off to the northeast. So we still could have some strong storms overnight. Temperatures fall to 69 first thing tomorrow morning, into the upper 60s as well in Columbus and Shelbyville. But we are still going to see the clouds around as this low level system is going to be spinning over most of central Indiana, keeping that the cloud coverage. Off to the west will be the next weather maker. Many dry hours for Sunday. If you're heading out to the Indiana State Fair, we're going to see a lot of clouds around. Winds will be out of the southwest. It's going to be another juicy environment with dew points back into the upper 60s, low 70s. Temperatures will climb into the low 80s tomorrow afternoon. Mostly cloudy most of the day. Now, as we go into Sunday night into Monday, we'll be watching out for this threat of severe weather. The higher threat, number 2 level for the I-74 corridor and points to the south, but all of central Indiana outlined for that risk of severe weather. We also have another tornado probability to the southwest central portion of our viewing area Sunday night into Monday. So here's a look tomorrow evening. We'll likely pick up some reflectivity on radar. And then as we go Sunday night into early Monday, this is when we'll start to see this next complex pushing in. This has the potential of bringing some damaging winds, perhaps some large hail, and again, that southwestern portion of the state could see some tornadoes. We could see some rotating storms out of this. This will continue to lift Monday morning, so you want to check on with Sunrise with Chuck, as he'll be following these storms as they continue to push across the area Monday morning, and then most of this will be out of here the rest of Monday afternoon. Now, Monday is going to be a much cooler day. We'll see highs topping out into the upper 70s, so a little break from the heat and a break from the humidity as well. We'll be back into the low 80s on Tuesday, Wednesday. Quiet days finally returning for a couple days. As we go into Wednesday, we'll be back into the mid 80s, and then by the middle of the week, we'll start to see some changes pushing back in. So a high around 81 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. We'll see some of those storms tapering off early tomorrow morning, and then another round moves in Sunday night into Monday morning. Those storms could be strong to severe. Cooler for Monday afternoon, and then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we're quiet and dry as high pressure builds back in. Highs in the low 80s, and then showers and thunderstorms return on Thursday with highs in the low 80s again. We're staying below average as we go into next week.